I do understand Chinese, but we're going to keep the class in English as much as possible. We're going to start with your names. Okay, if you have an English name, tell me your English name. If not, you can tell me your Chinese name, but everybody please say, my name is. Alright, and then we're going to go into other questions. And then here's my name, Aura. Alright, so let's start here. What is your name?
My name is Sandy. My name is Angela.
My name is Abby. My name is Elise. My name is Candy.
My name is Eric.
Alright. So, now we're going to talk about how old are you? Okay, I assume that all of you are either between like 18 and 22. If you're older than that, well, you can tell me. So, let's just go with this phrase. I am, whatever, years old.
I'm 19 years old.
I'm 22 years old. I'm 19 years old. I am 19 years old.
I'm 18 years old. I am 18 years old.
Okay. Now, let's talk about your major. What is your major? That's what you're studying here. And your student ID card, you can see it. Let me read for you some of the ones that other students have brought here. So there's information management, interior design, international business, information engineering, financial affairs, tourism, visual communication design, finance, civil engineering, marketing, and logistics. If yours is not here and you don't know how to say it, you can ask me. Okay, so everybody's just going to say my major is plus your major. Okay, let's start here.
My major is civil engineering.
Okay.
My major is civil engineering.
My major is interior design. My major is interior design. My major is business and administration.
My major is business administration.
Okay, all right. Next up is, what is your hometown? Where are you from in Taiwan? Are you from Taipei? Are you from New Taipei City? Are you from Kaohsiung? Are you from, where are you from? Okay, let's start here.
My hometown is Taipei.
My hometown is New Taipei City. My hometown is Taoyuan.
My hometown is New Taipei City. My hometown is New Taipei City.
Okay. Now, let's talk about what year in school are you on. So, in Chinese you do year 1, year 2, year 3, and year 4. Right? But in English we have names for all of them. So, year number 1 is freshman, year number 2 is sophomore, year number 3 is junior, and year number 4 is senior. So, you just say either I am a freshman, I am a sophomore, I am a junior, or I am a senior. Okay? Let's start
I
here.
am a freshman. I am a freshman.
I'm a sophomore.
I am a freshman.
Okay. Now let's talk about hobbies, things that you like doing. So we have some examples here. Playing games, cooking, dancing, listening to music, reading books, shopping, swimming, playing sports, drinking beer, going to the beach, riding, etc. Oh, alright, so all of these are habits. When you talk about habits, you need to put ing. You see, everything has ing. So please choose 2 hobbies of yours. Doesn't have to be the ones that are here, okay? Remember, it's what you like to do. So these are just examples. And yeah, let me know what are the 2 hobbies that you really like. Okay, let's start here.
I like to listen to music.
And? Yeah, so you see 2. My hobbies are this and that.
My hobbies are listening to music and swimming.
Next.
My hobbies are drinking beers and playing volleyball.
Okay.
My hobbies are singing a song and play basketball. My hobbies are listening to music and shopping. My hobby
Sorry? I couldn't hear you. Can you say that again?
追剧怎么讲？
Oh, you were saying Chinese.
追剧。
I actually don't know what that is. Say it again? Can you say it again?
追剧的英文怎么讲？
I don't know what that is actually. Hold on. I have no idea.
缺生真母吗？
Yeah, if you can look it up because I have no idea what that is. Let me see.
缺生 drama， 追剧。
Oh, okay. We don't say chasing drama.
缺生 drama。
No. You mean like TV show? Like on the TV? Like watching TV? Okay, no, you follow TV drama. Not chasing. Follow TV drama.
Follow TV drama。
Okay.
My hobbies are playing games and go to the gym.
Okay. Okay, next question is, do you work and study or do you only study? If you only study, okay, no job, you just say I only study. And if you do work, you say I work and study. And please say what your job is, okay? Start here.
I only study.
I only study. I only study. I work and study.
And what do you do?
I do.
You can try to explain it.
Cooking.
You cook, okay.
I only study.
I only study.
Okay. Alright, so before we end the class later, I will like you guys to think of 4 words that you have learned today, okay? Just letting you know in advance so that you know that before we end the class, you need to tell me 4 words. Alright, so, like I said, we're going to talk about traveling. Okay. We're going to learn things about when you go to the airport and all of that, and then we're going to see different places that have really cool things to do. So first let's start with the question, do you like traveling? So you're going to say, I like traveling or I don't like traveling. And then we're going to talk about places that you have been to, okay? Haven't been to, I don't know, Japan or Korea or wherever. If you haven't been anywhere, that's fine. You can say places inside Taiwan. Okay, so let's start first with this question. Do you like traveling?
I like traveling.
I like traveling. I like traveling.
I like traveling.
Okay. And then let's go on with the question, what places have you been to? So, I have been to blah 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 and blah blah blah. Up to you, okay?
I have been to Hong Kong and China.
I have been to
I like to
Korea.
Korea.
That's it?
Ireland.
Ireland? Okay.
I have been to Japan and Singapore. I haven't been to anywhere.
Oh, you haven't been anywhere, okay?
I have been to USA and England. I have been to Japan and Korea.
Alright. Okay, and now the question, the next question is, where would you like to go? Okay? So please tell me at least 2 places that you would like to visit. Okay? Let's start on this side.
I would like to travel to America and what?
Only one? You don't want to go anywhere else, or you don't know how to say the other?
I don't want to.
Oh, okay.
I would like to travel to Russia and Iceland.
Okay.
I would like to travel to Japan and America. I would like to travel to London and France.
Where?
France.
Oh, France. Okay. Okay.
I would like to travel to Ireland and Australia.
Okay, alright. Alright, so first we are going to talk about airport vocabulary words. So we're gonna watch a video about that. We're also gonna do an exercise about this. Okay, so we're gonna do this later along with this. And don't be scared, I'm gonna help you with this, so don't worry. Okay, so these people are called flight attendant. They bring you the food, they give you water, whatever you need.
Number 2, boarding pass.
This thing that she's holding is a boarding pass. That's how you get into the airplane.
Number 3, economy class. Number 4.
When the airplane is going up, we call that the takeoff.
Number 5, first class.
So they talk about economy class and then there's first class. So I'm not going to write the Chinese for all of them because you should know just from this symbol here. So economy class is the cheapest one if you don't want to spend a lot of money. And then there's business class, that's why there's $2 signs. And then there's first class, the most expensive one.
Number 6, pilot.
So that's the person who flies the plane, the pilot.
Number 7, check-in.
And then check-in is when you give your passport and they give you your boarding pass. And you also leave your luggage, all your bags.
Number 8, passenger.
Okay, then the word passenger is this, right? So you're a passenger when you go on the bus, when you go on the MRT, when you go on the train, when you go to an airplane.
Number 9, jet lag.
So you see this man is very tired. So if you went to, let's say, maybe Australia, or you went somewhere in Europe like England or the US, you would have jet lag, you would feel tired because a different time.
Number 10. Window seat. Number 11. Baggage.
So this is called baggage.
Number 12. Land.
So land is when the airplane touches the ground.
Number 13. Aisle seat. Number 14. Business class. Number 15. Gate number.
Okay, so gate number is the one that's gonna show you where you have to go before you take your flight. So let's review all the words. I also have some pictures. So airport is this, right? Where you go to take a flight. Then we have the different classes: economy class, business class, first class. So the first question is, when you travel, what do you buy? Or if you traveled, which one would you buy? Would you buy economy class? Would you buy business class? Or would you buy first class? Okay, so if I travel, I buy, choose one of these. Start here.
If I travel, I buy business class.
Mm-hmm.
If I travel, I buy business class.
Mm-hmm.
If I travel, I buy business class.
Mm-hmm.
If I travel, I buy economy class.
Mm-hmm.
Followed by business class.
If I travel, I buy business class.
Okay. Now let's talk about window seat, middle seat, and aisle seat. So these are the three seats. So this is an aisle. This space here is called aisle. That's why this one is called aisle seat. And then middle seat because it's in the middle. And then window seat because it's right next to the window. So I want to know, what seat do you prefer? Do you prefer window seat? Do you prefer middle seat? Or do you prefer aisle seat? So when I travel, I like choosing. And then you choose window seat, middle seat, or aisle seat. I'm gonna start here.
When I travel, I like choosing window seat.
When I travel, I like choosing window seat. When I travel, I like choosing window seat.
When I travel, I like to choose in window seat. When I travel, I like choosing window seat.
Okay, alright. And then, like I showed you here, baggage, baggage or luggage. And then this here, this whole thing is called baggage claim. This is where you go and get it. So you see this thing says here, baggage claim. So then we have takeoff, when the airplane goes off. And then the landing is when it gets to the ground. Then we have the pilot, the person who drives the plane. And then check-in, when you give your passport to get the boarding pass. Okay, this is the boarding pass. You can also call it boarding card. In the UK they say boarding card. And then we have passenger, okay? And then we have jet lag, when you feel very tired because you traveled too far. And we have gate, which is the door where you wait for your flight. Alright, so now we're gonna watch a dialogue, and they're gonna mention some of the words that we just heard, and then we will do the practice of the travel, the air travel words.
By plane. They are packing their bags. Sarah is very excited.
I can't wait to be in the plane. The taxi is here. Let's go.
I'll put your bags in the trunk for you.
Thank you very much.
Where can I take you?
To the airport, please. Can you drop us off near the entrance?
Yes, sure. Here we are. That'll be $8.50, please.
Thanks for the ride. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a nice flight.
What are we gonna do first, Mom? First, we need to go to the check-in counter. What are we gonna do there? We're gonna check in our bags and get our boarding passes. Let's go. There is such a long queue of passengers here.
Don't worry. We won't have to wait long. Hello. We would like to check in.
Hello. Can I see your tickets and passports, please?
Yes, of course. Here they are.
How many bags are you checking in?
2 bags.
Can you put them on the scale, please?
Yes, sure.
How many carry-on bags are you taking with you?
2 bags. Does that mean I can take my bag on the plane with me? Yes, Sarah.
Okay, here are your boarding passes and your passports.
Thank you.
You will be boarding at gate B2 at 12:10.
Okay, thank you very much. So where are we going now, Dad?
We're going through security now. Hello.
Hello. Put your bags on here, please. Empty your pockets and put the contents in the tray.
What is this machine, Dad?
This is the X-ray machine that looks inside things. Now we have to step through the scanner. I'll go first.
Now it's my turn.
Here is your bag.
Now we need to go to our gate. Let's take the escalator.
We are going to wait here for the boarding announcement.
Why are we passing through this tunnel, Dad?
This is the boarding bridge. It takes us directly to the plane.
Welcome aboard. I hope you enjoy your flight with us today. Here are your seats. You can put your bags into the overhead compartment.
Okay, so let's take a look at this. This is called the overhead compartment. So, compartment means a place where you can put things away, right? In this case, your luggage or your baggage. And it said overhead because it's over your head, right? So overhead compartment, or we can call it overhead locker.
Mr. Scott is sitting in the aisle seat. Mrs. Scott is sitting in the window seat. And Sarah is sitting in the middle.
Mom, can I sit by the window? Of course you can. Let's switch seats.
Please fasten your seatbelt because the plane is going to take off soon.
so amazing.
Now it's safe to unfasten the seatbelt.
Okay, so seatbelt, this thing that they're wearing.
What would you like for your in-flight meal? We have chicken and rice or pasta.
We'd like chicken and rice, please.
Would you like anything to drink with that?
Yes, I'd have a glass of lemonade, please.
And 2 glasses of water for us, please.
This is your captain speaking. We are about to land, so please fasten your seat belts.
Are we going to the hotel now?
First, we need to go to the baggage claim to get our bags.
See baggage claim, they get their baggage.
Thanks for watching.
Okay, so now we're going to do this exercise right here. So we have plane or airplane, airport, meal, water, gate, departures board. This is where we see where the flight is going. I could say New York City, 7 p.m. Check-in desk, that's where you go and check in, give your passport. Duty free, that's where you can buy things for a cheaper price. You can buy perfumes, you can buy chocolate, you can buy anything you want in the airport. Baggage, what you take with you. Seat belt, thing that you use, right, to not move around.